Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from bhameshtechanalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, predictions and forecast for 2021. So we generally predict this, we generally try to forecast on Nifty and Bank Nifty for every year. So this was my last year's forecast, in which we discussed like the yearly chart, and we were expecting a correction in the market because the PE was almost trading at 28. At that time the interest rates were quite high, and we were expecting a fall in the market, which we got it. And after that, it was a crash due to COVID. And once it broke this level of 12,000 odd levels, as per this Gann level, we had a fall all the way till the next one is to two Gann angles. And these were support and resistance, and these were the important trend change date which we have given. How to trade on this trend change date? I'll just explain you. So I have just given the this week's forecast, this year's forecast. So in that, this year, we had a fall from 7511, and we had a spectacular recovery all the way towards 14,000 odd levels, and Nifty closed at 13,982. Which was almost it is the year of gain. If this is Nifty's yearly chart, so one, two, three, four, fifth year of gain. Now, if you see an important characteristics in this yearly chart is now we will be starting 2021. So if you see here the last year, which was 2001, we had a negative close of almost 16%. Then the next decade, which started on 2011, again we had a negative close of 24%. So this year, going by the history, we can see some good correction in the market in a tune from 16 to 24 odd percent. It has happened last year. So be prepared for that, and the rally can even continue. But again, I'll discuss the levels which we need to watch out for. But this is an important past historical data which we have seen. And apart from that, if I see the Gann angles, and let me just open that forecast again. If I see this is the yearly chart which I've drawn here. This is the Gann angles. So if this rally can continue in the extreme bull case, we can see a rally towards 15,000, which is double of almost 7511. And if that is also broken, then 7251 can also be seen. This is bull market which is driven by liquidity. So market can during the Harshad Mehta time, the biggest bull run which we have seen, the the Sensex was trading at a P of 57. you know so now we are trading at the PE of only 39, 38, 39. So again, there is a lot of PE expansion room which is there. And with the liquidity, all the financial system flush with liquidity, you never imagine even the Bitcoin, it has almost reached 32 odd level, 32,000, which it was very difficult to imagine also. So anything can happen. Just don't blindly short the market. And this is the monthly chart. It is quite bullish till it doesn't break this week's low, this month's low. The market can continue its uptrend. And these are the projected graphs which I have shown. This is based on the neural chart. Now, a word of caution here: don't blindly go by it, because it is right like 60 to 65% of the time only. And this data needs to be fed regularly. So I've fed the data. I'm trying to focus, but again, I'll keep feeding the data, and these algos will keep adjusting with the current price move. But this is what it is showing. So we'll revisit it, by the end of the this year. And these are the important trend change date which are based on the Astro and Gann techniques. So with Astro and Gann techniques, we can predict all these dates well in advance. So just to give you a perspective, so these were the dates: 10 January, 14 Jan. We even had 24th March where we made a bottom. This is for last year. 1st November when the big rally started. 10th November and 19th December, the 21st December, we had a big fall. So for your understanding, I have drawn these lines here. How to trade them is basically I don't do anything on that day. Next day I wait for the high and low to be breached. Like here the low was breached, and then you can write the down move. So you can see here 24th March. From there, big rally. 6th, 7th April when we hit a upper circuit of almost 10% on that day. So this is how you can backtest them. See here, this was 1st of November, and after that, such a beautiful rally came. This was 19 December, a big fall came. So again, we can predict all this day in advance using the Astro techniques. So, you can use these dates and be ready. So 4th January is one of the date which is coming, on Monday only. And this is the yearly trend chain date. So basically about 13148, I am looking at these targets. And if it continues trading below 31148 and it breaks, uh, 30, 13,000 also, then we can see the big fall in the market. So this is all about it. These are the important yearly prediction, important trend change dates. So try to use them, incorporate them in your trading system, and let's see how it goes. I wish you guys all the best, and trade carefully. A new year has started. Try not to repeat the mistakes which you have done in the last year. Market will give you a lot of opportunities to make money if you're disciplined, if you follow a system, and stay disciplined, trade with the right position size, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.